Hello, and thank you for choosing IVSEC. If you are using a 16, 32, or 64 channel NVR, please note the maximum amount of channels you can record per hard drive is 16 channels. Therefore, if you have 64 cameras running, the minimum amount of hard drives required to install is 4 hard drives. To demonstrate this, click the Start menu, Setup, and Disk. You can see that we have 2 hard drives currently installed in this recorder. To go to Disk Group, here you can allocate which channels record on which group. So for Group 1, which is hard drive 1, we have 16 channels. Group 2, we have channel 17 and 32. As I said, if you had 64 channels installed, you would need 4 hard drives to be installed, and then you have Group 3, which would be allocated the next 16, and then Group 4, the remaining 16. Once you have configured these channels, then click Disk, tick the boxes, and select Format. A format is required before using new hard drives. Press OK. Upon completion of the format, wait a couple minutes and check playback that each camera is recording correctly.